Hi there, this is Fixed It. As those of you who know who subscribe, I like to do experiments and fixes, and given the state of the economy and the problems with fuel and the price of electricity and gas, I thought I'd better stock up on some items and also test some items. This is an unboxing of a alcohol burner. I really like the idea of this because it's small and pretty lightweight. And so there's the alcohol burner, and it comes with this lovely little tripod stand. So basically the burner fits under there. So let's just take this out of its bag. It's a decent little unit. It's got a cover on the top as well that just comes off, wick based, and take it, the top will screw off. Ah yes, it does. Let's see how you're going to fill it. Okay, so there you have it. Basically put methylated spirit in there and put the wick in. Make sure you screw it up nice and tight. Give it a few seconds for the wick to pick up the methylated spirit and the vapours, and then light it, and then when you want to put it out, just put the top back on and it will extinguish it. So we'll fill it and give it a go. These things are fueled by methylated spirit or some other spirit. As such, they give a very clean flame and are pretty safe, although anything with fire is not that safe. But the good thing about methylated spirit is it burns as a vapour. So if you accidentally spill it on your skin and it burns, it tends not to burn the skin unless it stays on there too long, whereas things like kerosene and petrol will actually melt the skin and everything underneath. So I'm going to be doing some experiments with this. So I'll put some fuel in it and give it a test to see how hot it burns. This is part 1 of the video. Please subscribe in order to get part 2. And if any of my videos help you, which is currently about 500 videos, please consider using the super thanks below to give me a coffee. Thanks for watching. Bye.